In this video I will show you how to make this easy and beautiful macrame plant pot hanger. It can be tied by anyone in about 20 minutes. To make it, you will need durable thread in any thickness and color of your choice, scissors, ruler and tape. Before starting, you need to cut the thread into smaller lengths. In this case, you will need 8 threads with the length of 3 meters each, 3 threads with the length of 1 meter each. Let's start with the upper loop. Fold the 8 threads in half and find the center. Loosely tie a regular temporary knot in it. Separate half of the thread together with the newly tied ends and fasten it to the surface. Separate each out thread from the others. You can roll them into a small ball and fix them with tape to make it easier to work. Now you will have to tie 6 square knots. To do this, start with the left thread, let's call it A, put it over all the others except the last one, let's call it B. Place B over A, under the standing ones and through the loop we just made. Tighten the first half of the knot by pulling both outer threads. To complete the knot, do the same only on the other side. Put thread A over the standing ones and under B. Bend the B thread under the standing ones and through the loop. Pull both ends to tighten the knot. The first square knot is completed. Now repeat these steps 5 more times. Remove the tape and untie the first knot. Turn everything upside down and tie 6 same knots on the other side. Remember to start from the right side this time. When both sides are done, fold it in half and get the loose ends together where the knots end. Now let's make a loop by securing it with a gathering knot. Take the end of the shortest meter-long thread and put it at the top of the loop. Make a big loop down and fasten it with your thumb to the end of the knotted loop. Wrap the remaining end of the short thread tightly around from the top to bottom. Do this as many times as you think will look good. In this case, I did 10 turns. Then pull the end of the thread through the loop. Then pull the top short one until the loop disappears under the wrapped area. Cut the both ends of the thread and carefully try to push them under with the tip of your scissors. Find a place to hang the created loop. Let's continue with the already familiar square knot. Separate the 2 outer threads and make 12 square knots. Again, fasten the end with a gathering knot. Next, divide the thread into 4 parts, each with 4 threads. Take one part and measure 30 centimeters from the last knot and tie 1 square knot there. Take the next part and tie a square knot exactly at the same height. Repeat the step with all parts. Now take 2 threads from one part and 2 from the other, like this. Then measure 5 centimeters from the last knot and tie a square knot again. Repeat the step with all parts. Again, take 2 threads from one part, 2 from the other and tie a square knot. Repeat for all parts. Now take your plant pot and put it inside to better measure the bottom part for the knot. Measure the distance from the last knot to the center of the pot. In my case, they are 4 centimeters. Take out the pot and snap all parts together at the chosen mark and secure this place with the gathering knot. Cut the ends of the threads to desired length, and if you want, unroll them. I prefer when the threads are unrolled and combed, but that's a matter of taste. And that's all! Your macrame plant hanger is ready! To learn other useful macrame designs and knots, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.